Imagine having the information, tools, and context you need to make the right decisions in the planning phase. Welcome to Autodesk Forma. Autodesk Forma is a cloud software that offers powerful yet easy-to-use tools for architects and designers working in pre-design and schematic design. With Forma running in your browser, you can quickly set up a geolocated site and access real-world contextual data, enabling you and your team to model informed 3D designs in minutes. Create and explore a multitude of concepts by using intuitive drawing tools. Make adjustments, add floor plans, and get instant area metrics. With Forma, you can compare your design's sustainability and living qualities with ease. Get AI-powered estimates on the embodied carbon of your proposal, or assess outdoor conditions with a range of real-time environmental impact analyses, including daylight, wind, noise, and more. Record your findings, create presentations, and collaborate with your team and stakeholders, all within Forma. Or take your planning even further by using Forma's growing library of extensions. Integrate Forma into your existing workflows with connections to Revit, Rhino, or Dynamo. Generate AI-powered visualizations. Explore your project with augmented reality, and much more. Forma does all of this to help you make the right decisions from day one. Successful projects start with Autodesk Forma. Get started today at autodesk.com/forma.